Well, hello everyone. This is me by myself. Amber is back in Omaha. I'm down here in Dallas. We're about to go to one of my favorite restaurants from Florida called Gyu Kaku. We've gone to Orlando, and we've gone to Houston, and now we're in Dallas, and we're going to the Dallas one. But if you are new here, hello, hi, and welcome. We are Echo Travel Adventures. We are a travel channel. We try to do as many travel videos as we can. For the most part, for a while, for about 3 years, we were in Florida mostly. Now we're in Omaha, traveling wherever we can go. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, hit the bell. And if you like and comment, that would be great. Comment if you've tried this restaurant before, or if you've ever gone to a place like this. We really want to know. We do love seeing those comments. We are trying to get to 1,000 by the end of the year, so we can go live with you, so we can kind of do like little mini challenges at new restaurants, so that way you guys can try to choose what we want to eat and all that kind of stuff. All in all, guys, we're really enjoying making videos for you guys. We hope you guys enjoy watching them. And we really hope you enjoy this video. All right, we're over here at Gyu Kaku over in Dallas, and I'm over here with my niece and nephew and my brother and sister-in-law, and we are actually looking at the menu. The menu is pretty much the same as anywhere else. So one thing that they recommend too, because we don't have that much time, is the barbecue courses. You can actually order as much. You get all this food that you get here, so they highly recommend it. Now for us, we can't get to all you can eat because we don't have enough time to justify it. And this is always the best. So everything else is the same for the most part. So I'm really excited. Last time I came here with my niece and nephew, not to this place particularly, but the one in Nebraska, I never seen my niece and nephew eat as much food as they did there. And then all you can eat, it's 45, 55, and 65 like it is anywhere else. But this is the Dallas version, so I want to show you around a little bit just so you can see what it's like. But bon appetit. All right, we got the Hammurabi cup. This thing looks amazing. So it's just a big old pile of meat inside a cup that's been marinated 21 days worth of aging. Has peppers, has scissors so you can cut the meat. But we're really excited. So we're throwing it on the grill and we're going to love it.
Yep. This is Brian trying one of the special meat choices they have. It comes in the bowl.
So we just got back from the restaurant. One thing I've noticed when we are out with friends and family, we forget to vlog. That's kind of something we got to get used to doing. But the restaurant was really cool. It was really good to see my niece and nephew, my brother and sister-in-law. I really liked that. I can't remember the name of it now. The meat that's in the little cup. It is Harambe steak, skirt steak, but they put it in the little thing. That was so good. It actually was really good. They give you scissors so you can cut it up and share with everybody. So we did that. We kind of split it. My sister-in-law and brother and myself, we split it. It's really good. Definitely recommended that. They kind of did a meal thing, which had mostly beef, not a lot of chicken. The chicken they did have had like pesto in it, not really Japanesey. But all in all, it was really good. But if you made it this far, guys, thank you so much for stopping by, checking out our channel. Again, that was Gyu Kaku in Dallas. We've done Houston, and we have done Orlando. So if you want to see what different places look like, they have a whole bunch of laundry lists of different places that they're in. Highly recommend looking at them. It's really good, really fantastic restaurant. But if you made this far, don't forget to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification. And we will definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.